Everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, see this plant? This is referred to as aloe vera, right? Okay, and you might be saying, but this is a fish keeping channel, so what is this related? How is this related to fish keeping? Okay, upon doing some research, because water conditioner, stress coat is a little pricey sometimes depending on the brand, right? And sometimes you need it because you do some like emergency water change and you don't have any stress coat, right? I have just learned, right, that aloe vera, yes, aloe vera is good as a stress reliever for your aquarium fish. So let's say that you do some water change and you have some amount of plant like this, right, within your space. It will probably be good to actually prepare it beforehand. Like for me now, I am trying to peel it onset, in showing you what to do. For some people, they would probably blend it, crush it, take it out from the skin and then place it within the aquarium. For me, what I do is just simply cut it in pieces, and then I would actually and just drop it in my pond. Aloe vera works well within your fish pond in actually having your fish relax. So let's say that you have some new fish or you did some water change and you want your fish to feel relaxed, right? You can just cut a piece of aloe vera and simply just place into the aquarium or the pond, and your fish will love you for it because it helps to soothe their scales. It helps to allow them to feel a little bit more relaxed. They are not really stressed, with the vigors of water change and all of that, right? Aloe vera can be used alongside with, let's say, some salt. So if you want, you can make it in a portion where in which you can cut a piece and you can actually probably mix it thin, and practically uh, apply it within your aquarium space, in portions where, depending on the size of the fish, depending on the type of the fish, well, depending on the size of the fish, right, you would actually place. So I am this is my convict cichlid pond, and I am placing a piece of aloe vera in this pond also. My hands are going to be tasting bitter probably for the entire weekend, right? So this works in actually helping to allow the fish to feel relaxed, right? Over time, whatever is within the aloe vera, the chemical compounds will actually leach out and the fish will actually love you for that, right? So this is a simple share that I thought that it would be prudent in sharing with you. As I said before, you can mix this. Yeah, you can mix the aloe vera with salt and periodically place within your aquarium space. Thank you very much for stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Bye bye for now. Cool.